How to beat writer's block for bloggers. After you've blogged for a while, you can start to feel that things are getting a little stale, and you need to figure out how to beat writer's block. You may have heard about famous writers who had no trouble churning out a couple of masterpieces, but all of a sudden couldn't get a word on paper. For a blogger, it can be tough coming up with fresh ideas. And the advice for prose writers with blockage is good for bloggers too, but it usually doesn't go far enough. Learn to relax your mind, keep a dream journal, and so on. Bloggers have special tools at their disposal, special talents, and special needs. So here are some tips on how to rid yourself of blogger's block. You should keep a list of topics and themes in a nearby notebook or on a computer so you can jot down ideas as they occur to you. You don't want that great niche notion to slip away by clicking on the next link and forgetting it. Let your mind and mouse wander through your favorite blogs and forums for the latest trends, hot topics, and new ideas. But try going to new sites, too. Amazon bestsellers list are a potential treasure trove of ideas. Scan the list in all kinds of categories, not just the ones you're familiar with, for new products, because you never know what you'll find. Once you know how to do keyword research, and don't use just your favorite, try out others. You can use it as an idea tool. Search on broad topics or concepts and scan the results for a mental reboot, taking note, of course. One way for all you slow typists out there to break through a dry spell is to use voice recognition software to transcribe yourself talking, or use the old-fashioned method of recording and transcribing. Some bloggers talk faster than they type. Finally, if you're really stuck, go to a real bookstore. Get a good cup of coffee or tea and scan the shelves and titles for new subjects and twists on old ones. After all, those writers probably had writer's block at some point, too.